Hello everyone. So now we are going to continue our series of PYQs. Now we are doing geography. Okay. We did around 30 questions. Now we will start from the 31 question. So let's start it. So question number 31 is asking about along which one of the following meridian did India experience the first light of the sunrise of the new millennium? So in the UPSC examinations, firstly we have to just try to method of elimination because directly you will know very few questions. If you just be totally dependent on that question, it will be very hard to just go successful in the examination. So firstly, we will just have the elimination method. Okay, here also. So as we know, Indian latitudinal and longitudinal last points like this start from the 67 point I think 4 to 97 point something 25. So this is the boundary of India. They are asking about the meridian experience the first light, which experience the first light of the sunrise in the new millennium. Okay, so first it will it will be eastern part which will experience first light of the sun. So here they are giving west. See the option A. They are giving 2 degree 30 minutes west. It will not be the answer. Then 92 degree 30 minute west. It will not also be the answer. They are asking. They are giving option B 82 degree 30 minute. So it is the IMD of India, है ना? I mean, this is the Indian Standard Time line, na, which is going through the five state of India. So it will also not be the answer. So the answer will be D, 92 degree 30 minute east. Okay. So 31 question is like this, and this line is just going through the Kathal Island of the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay. Then next question is question number 32. This is asking consider the following statements. There are many statements, and we have to just consider which is the right option. And then which of these statements are correct. Let's see the options. Tide are of great help in navigation and fishing. So as you know, tide is the phenomena of the gravitational force of the sun and moon, mainly moon's gravitational force. So when they occur, so a very high amount of water comes through the coastal areas, so they help in navigation because a heavy naval crafts also go through the coastal areas because water level is high. Then fishing, due to water comes in more areas of the coastal, so they take fishes with them also. So that will be the correct option. The next thing, high tide enables big ships to enter or leave the harbor safety. So we just told this thing, like if there will be high tide, so there is two type of tide. High tide when water level will be higher, and low tide when water level will be lower. Okay, so this will also be right answer because the high vessel of the navigational craft will also be able to go to the coast. Okay, so this will be the right answer, right option. Next option is tide prevents siltation in the harbors. So do you know what is the siltation? When river comes and the joint seas, then they have a lot of silt they have taken from the mountainous area and other areas. They just take this silt, so this area become some kind of siltation this area have. It create problems for many crafts to carry and some fishermen also. So the high tide just go through that area and take the siltation back in the ocean. So this help in that also. Okay. So tide prevents siltation in the harbor, right? The last option is Kandla and Diamond Harbor are tidal ports. So Kandla is in Gujarat. If we just make the India's, so Kandla port is here near Gujarat. This is also called Deen Dayal Upadhyay port. This has been made for the our one of the most important port has been taken by the Pakistan, because the area comes in Pakistan. So behalf of that port, this port has been made in India. Then if we talk about the Diamond Harbor, so this is the Haldia port in Hooghly River. This is also made for the substitute of the Kolkata, because Kolkata having lot of traffic of the ships. So Diamond Harbor is also called Haldia, Haldia port. Okay. So this is in Hooghly River. Okay. This is in Hooghly River. So in this, all options are correct. So D will be the answer. Then question number 33. Consider the following statement about the roaring forest. This is very nice question, I will say, because this is, if this is the earth, so we have equatorial region, then subtropical region here, okay, then polar region, okay, we have this kind of regions. So here you will find easterlies, they come from east, okay. From here you will find westerlies around 40 to 60. So in southern part you will find less continent than the northern part. So here you will find very uh, very high speed of the wind take place, and some kind of disturbances of weather is also taking place. That is why this is called the uh, what is asking about that exactly. Hmm. Exactly, roaring for 40s. This is called roaring 40s. It's a 40 to 50 degrees southern areas. It's called roaring 40s. From 40 to 60, the weather conditions are very high. Okay, so here some kind of option are given. We will just discuss about the options also. They below uninterrupted in the northern and southern hemisphere. They blow uninterrupted in the northern and southern hemisphere. So not in northern hemisphere, because they are not just having that much intensity in the northern hemisphere, but in southern hemisphere. That's why this will be the wrong option. So by this we can just eliminate three options and correct one options, but we have to see all options, because we are here for the learning from the PYQ. So we will see every and each options, and we'll learn from that option. Either that option is wrong or right, it doesn't matter, but you'll just learn from every and each option, even from question also, because you can see in southern part from sorry, what is happening here, yeah, from 40 to 50 degree southern area, it is called roaring 40s, okay. So that's the thing. The next option is they blow with great strength and constancy. So that is right. The strength and constancy is very high. Next option is their direction is generally from northwest to east in the southern hemisphere. Exactly. From the northwest. If we see the northwest from north, this west is like this. Northwest to, okay, because that's the westerly is na. That's why it will come from the northwest. Next option is overcast skies, rain, and raw weather are generally associated with them. So the sky is with the cloud, rain, and raw weather. That means very hard weather conditions are taking place in that areas. That means 2, 3, and 4 will be the correct answer. Okay. So we just know about the southern westerlies, how this is different from the northern westerlies. Okay. Then next option is sorry, next question is related to which one of the following weather condition is indicates by a sudden fall in biometer reading. Do you know what is the biometer? Biometer reads the atmospheric pressure. If there will be, this is the liquid material, and here also there will be mercury. If there will be high pressure, okay, so this will just go to low, and it will just high the barometer, okay. And if there will be low pressure, though, then the barometer will just take place, like it will just have the fall in reading. Okay, so question is also asking, which of the following weather condition is indicated by a sudden fall in the barometer reading? So what will be the options? Stormy, calm weather, hot and sunny weather, cold and dry weather. It will be stormy weather, because when they will be storm, it will have intense low pressure created in that area. Okay, then the reading will be fall, sudden fall. They are asking about sudden fall, no? So due to this. Next question is, who among the following were the first to state that the earth was spherical? This is the totally question not based on the theory, but fact based question. Okay, so Aristotle was first person who just said the earth's shape is spherical. Then next question is, if the star are seen to rise perpendicular to the horizon by an observer he is located on. So this is one thing you should remember, like this is the equator, and above equator there will be not direct but indirect circle of the weather, a circle of the cloud. In that circle, like in equatorial, there will be stars rotation path. ठीक है, stars rotation path. So when you will see from this area the stars, you will find them totally perpendicular to that horizon. ठीक है, that is why the option answer will be equator, not tropical of Cancer, not north pole, not south pole. It will be equator. ठीक है, no, you know the region now. What is the reason for that? Then next question is 37. Consider the following statement made about sedimentary rocks. You know about the sedimentary rocks, which has been made by the sediment. ठीक है, so the options are, uh, firstly you should know there is mainly three type of rocks. First is igneous rock, ठीक है, then sedimentary rock, then metamorphic rock. Igneous rock is mainly made by the lava, magma, etc. ठीक है, volcanic. Then sedimentary are mainly by the sediment. Metamorphic is due to they are just converted from the sedimentary and igneous rock to metamorphic by the temperature and uh, time, okay, and pressure. So the options of the sedimentary rocks, they're asking about this. So sedimentary rocks are formed earth surface by the hydrological system. That means river are just taking some kind of sediments, and by that sediment, for example, you can find in India northern जो plain है, northern plain of the India is made by the Ganga sediment, Ganga Brahmaputra sediment है ना. So that is the sedimentary uh, alluvial soil है ना. The next option is, formation of sedimentary rocks involve the weathering of pre-existing rock. Exactly. By the weathering, rivers take the rock sediments by themselves. Then sediment rocks contains fossil. Exactly. They contain fossils. Then sedimentary rocks typically occur in layers. So if their river will just take first sedimentary uh, things, then other year or other time it will take another, so it will just form the layers. That is why every niche option will be correct. Option number D. ठीक है. Next question. Volcanic eruption do not occur in. So firstly you should know when volcanic eruption will take. So according to plate tectonic theory, there are three type of movement of plates. First is, if the two plates are coming together, it will call convergent. If convergence will happen, one plate go above the lighter plate, then what happen? Here you will find eruption of the magma. Here you will find trenches. ठीक है. Next thing, when two plates are going far from one another, this will call diversion. In diversion, here you will find magma. ठीक है. Other thing is the one plate slides to another plates is called transformation. In this mainly earthquake occurs, ठीक है. So they are asking about in which sea है ना volcanic eruption do not occur. So the area not which will not be the boundary point of two plates will be the area which will not have volcanic eruption. So actually Baltic Sea is not on the boundary level of the plates. These the sediment of this are igneous and made by the uh, sediment of ice of that area, ठीक है. Then question number 39, quartiles is metamorphic form. So quartiles are made by the like we have talked about three type of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. So metamorphism, we have talked about that they will be made by the temperature, time and the pressure, ठीक है. So the main their parental rock is sandstone. By sandstone, they will be formed by the quarters with the time and pressure and temperature. Okay, so that's the right answer. Then question number 40. Identify the correct order of the process of soil erosion from the following. Here is the option: splash erosion, sheet erosion, rill erosion, gully erosion. Firstly, you should know all this kind of process, then you will be able to understand the order. ठीक है. Just know this is the area. ठीक है. Water drops just come on the area, then it will have a splash erosion by the water drops, like small splashes you will find here. Then if the water drops or other due to other factors, it just eroded all the sheets of upper area, है ना, all the sheet of upper area will be eroded, then it will call sheet erosion. Then small rills will be created, like जैसे होते नहीं कि गड्ढे टाइप हो जाते हैं, that will call a rill erosion, ठीक है. And if they form very big beer type of areas, it will call gully erosion, ठीक है. You will find in Bundelkhand region in MP, where Sholay movie has also been made. So this will call gully erosion. And the next form of the erosion will call the river basin, है ना, river basin बन जाएगा वहाँ पे. That's why the A option will be correct option, ठीक है. Then question number 41. This is asking about they are giving the temperature and rainfall in centimeters. They are asking which kind of weather system is this. So they are giving average rainfall is 44.9, average temperature is 12.8, and they are asking about the area of the monsoon, ठीक है. So just we have to just eliminate the things. If we talk about monsoon, so monsoon, like in India we have 40 degrees Celsius larger, 40 to 45 degrees Celsius the highest temperature, and around 10 to 15 degrees Celsius the lowest temperature, ठीक है. So it will not be the answer because they are giving this is the average temperature. Then steppe region, it will be in the European region, है ना. So they have temperature around 0 degrees Celsius in the summer, but here you will find around 50 to 10 to इस type से temperature आ रहा है, ठीक है. तो it will not be that also, so it will also just cut down. The northwest European region, northwest, it will also have more or less temperature in the winter, then it has given in here. So Mediterranean region will be the correct answer. Okay. Next question is, during the neap tide, the high tide is lower and the low tide is higher than usual. So do you know the tide? This is the tide. Just think this is the tide. And when neap tide occurs, so tide forms like this. So the high tide will be lower than high, and low tide will also be higher than low, okay. So this will be the right option. Then they are asking the neap tide and like the spring tide occurs on the new moon instead of on the full moon. No, new moon and full moon will be with the spring tide, okay. When spring tide happen, when just this is the earth, this is the sun, this is the moon, this is the moon. So it will be the condition of the new moon and full moon. So this is the spring tide, not the neap tide. So second will be wrong option. Option number C will be correct because A is true, R is false. ठीक है. Next 43. Sun's halo is produced by refraction of light in. So this is the factual type of question. Ice crystal in cirrus cloud. ठीक है. In class 11th fundamental geography you will find the types of clouds. Just read that. Then 44 question. Consider the following statement. Which of the following statement is correct? They are asking about the correct option. Ocean current are slow surface movement of water in the ocean. So they are giving slow surface movement. Surface. Ocean currents are not only surface movement, they are the deep oceanic movement also, है ना? So this will be wrong answer. By this we can eliminate, but we have to just read every each options also. Next option is ocean current assist maintaining Earth's heat balance. That's true because you will have Falkland kind of currents which are a cold current, then north continental drift, है ना? इस टाइप ऑफ चीज़ है तो वो कोल्ड एंड हॉट currents are just making balance between very high, very cold and very like in Atlantic drift you find this is the hot current which is just make that area's pores open all the air, otherwise it will not, the circumstances and atmosphere of that area doesn't allow that, है ना? Next thing is ocean current are set in motion primarily by prevailing winds. Exactly, due to the wind motion they just go from one area to another area. Then ocean current are affected by configuration of the ocean. Exactly, if the configuration of the ocean will be like this, then ocean current will come here, then back from here. So it is also affect the motion of the ocean. So the option will be B. ठीक है, 2, 3, 4 are correct answers options. Then last question of today, because we are doing around 15 question every day. So consider the following statement. In equatorial region, the year is divided into four main seasons. No, it is two. So it will be wrong. If we just eliminate this, then option will come. है ना? तो पहले मतलब in around 2002, the options were very easy. If you just eliminate almost one options, then you will be able to form a correct option. But let's see the other options also. In Mediterranean region, summer months receives more rain. No, it's winter, so it will also be incorrect. Then in China type climate, rainfall occurs throughout the year. That's true. Tropical highlands exhibit vertical donation of different climate. Exactly. So they are telling about if this is the tropical climatic area. So according to their height, they will form different kind of climate. From this area, they will have very high temperature, but as they will go from every 1 kilometer, you will find around six. Uh, I think I'm not recalling exact, but around every 6 kilometer or 1 kilometer, you will like from if you will go from the lower part of area to upper part of area, you will find the constant decrease in temperature. So you will find the different kind of areas like in tundra. You will find in the mountainous region uh, flora is like this which will found in tundra region है ना. So you will find the condition of the living on this area, even this is in tropical region as in tundra of the cold area of the pole है ना. So that's the thing. So option will be D. 3 and 4 option is correct. So by this we are completing our 15 question series of today. So thank you so much. Jai Hind.